Okay, this is a vector question which on the face of it looks very easy, but I think there's a wee bit more to it. It says a resultant of the forces 5i plus 7j, and then ai plus b vector j, bi minus a vector j, is a force of 11i plus 15j. So if the resultant of three forces, so you've got three forces, this force, and this force, when they add together, you're going to get this force. That's really what it is. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add those three things and see that they give the second thing. And then I think it's going to be equating the coefficients of the i's and the j's. So I'm going to write these forces in column vector. It saves me a wee bit of time. So the first one is 5, 7. The next one is AB. The next one is B minus A. And that gives you 11, 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equate the coefficients of the i's, which means this top row equals 11. So that's what that means, basically equating the coefficients of the i's. I know it's very messy, but sure. That's 5 plus A plus B is equal to 11. And then bring that 5 across, you'll get A plus B is equal to 11 minus 5. A plus B is equal to 6. Okay, I'll get rid of that horrible bit in yellow there. And next thing we're going to do is the same idea. We're going to equate the coefficients of the j's. So if you do that, you're going to get 7 plus b minus a is equal to 5. And again, wee bit of rearranging, you're going to get b minus a is equal to 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. I'm just going to write that as minus a plus b is equal to minus 2. And that's my equation 2. You've now got two equations and two unknowns. So let's just write your equation 1 underneath it. A plus b equals 6. That's my equation 1. And if we add those, well, you can either get rid of your a's or get rid of your b's. I'll get rid of the a's, I think. I'm just going to do that by adding equation 1 and equation 2. So first of all, you've got minus a plus minus a. They're just going to disappear. And then you've got b plus b. And b plus b, that's just going to they're just going to add to give you 2b. And then last thing, you've got minus 2 plus 6, and they add together, minus 2 and 6. Minus 2 plus 6 gives you 4. So a wee bit of working out then, your b is equal to 4 divided by 2, so b is equal to 2. And then just sub that back into your equation 1, so just say sub into equation 1, and you're going to get, where is my equation 1? My equation 1 is a plus b, which was 2, is equal to 6, which means a is equal to 6 minus 2, so your a works out to be 4. Now let's read the question and see if we have answered it. It says find a and b. We have found a and b. There we are. So we'll just say give our answer. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. Lovely.